To begin, take the container and fill it up to the gold fill line. And then take your rinsed out container. You can use any container you want, but we're gonna use these because they're already waxed on the inside, so they're easy to take apart. So you're gonna take your container, you're gonna take your water, and then what I want you to do is I want you to fill up your container with water. You will see it's not all the way to the top because when we add the plaster, the level will go up, so we don't want it too full. Begin to put plaster in to the water. Sprinkle, sprinkle. Stop. What we're looking for is we're looking for a little island in the center. So when you're adding, you add kind of slowly, looking to see that it doesn't totally sink. So we stop, we let it sink in, and keep going. Again, stopping. Okay. All right, here we go. You want to keep adding plaster until you get a little island in the center. We stop, we let it sink. Stop, let it sink. Okay. You can see how it's going a little slower as it sinks. Okay, keep going. Okay, so once you get to this point, what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a dowel to stir. You can add just a tiny little bit more. So after we have finished this, I'm taking my dowel and I'm just gonna try to stir in the plaster to make sure that it is well mixed and that there are no lumps or bumps. So as you can see right now, it's really, really watery, and that's okay. So once you have finished, you're gonna pull out your dowel, rinse it off, and then the last step is we're just gonna knock this on the table to try to get out any air bubbles. You just kind of want to knock it a little bit so that you see how there are bubbles on the top. We want them all to rise to the top. So we bang, bang, bang a little bit, then we put it aside to harden. So as you can see, it is now hardened, and I can unwrap it if I want to.